I will move to cite in contempt those individuals, Madam Chair, who we issued subpoena to. Si Ms. Wen Yilin, Mr. Simen Lial Go, si Guo Huaping, aka Alice Guo, Mr. Jan Jong Guo, Ms. Sheila Yel Guo, at Ms. Wesley Guo.
Therefore, I would like to move that we issue a warrant of arrest against Mayor Go for her to attend the next hearing.
Inimbitahan ho natin yung mga incorporators at board of members ng Lucky South 99 na ito po yung na-raid noong 2022 at ngayon meron na namang problema. Inibitahan rin ho natin yung may-ari ng lupa, yung Whirlwind Corporation, kung saan doon natuklasan po yung isa sa pinakamalaki at isa sa pinaka-violenteng Pogo Hub sa Pilipinas. No? At wala rin pumunta ho sa kanila. Nag-issue ho tayo ng subpoena para kay Go Huaping para ipagpatuloy yung ating pagtatanong at higit sa lahat malaman kung sino po yung mga nasa likod nitong Pogo Hub sa Bamban. Pero pangalawang pagtanggi o pangalawang beses siya nang hindi pumunta ho dito. Ngayon na kahit may subpoena, binaliwala pa rin niya yung subpoena na inisyu ng committee. May isa pang personalidad na mahalaga ho, yung si Ginang Nancy Gamo, no? Na lumabas po sa maraming papeles, sa papeles ng mga Go-related companies, sa papeles ng dalawang Pogo Hub, yung Zunyuan at Hongsheng. Pero nagpadala siya ng letter at hindi rin siya makakapunta dahil raw pinagbabawalan siya ng doktor niya. Pero Madam Chairman, nakita ko yung kanyang interview Hindi lang isang beses o 4 na beses yung kanyang interview at lumalabas ho siya para magbigay ho ng mga interviews. No? So hindi po katanggap-tanggap ho para sa atin na nagbibigay ka ng interview sa media pero yung formal na hearing, yung formal na pagdinig, hindi ka pupunta ho dito. At may subpoena na rin ho na issue. So Madam Chairman, uulitin ko po yung aking motion in the past, no, nung last hearing. At ngayon, I will move to issue a subpoena dito po sa mga incorporators at board members ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. Namely ho, si Ronelyn Baterna, si Michael Mascarenas, Stephanie Mascarenas, Rodrigo Banda, at Mr. Jing Gu. Itong Mascarenas family ho, interlocking directors ho to na present siya sa Lucky South 99 at present rin ho siya sa Whirlwind Corporation. So in other words, lumalabas parang iisa lang itong kumpanyang ito. No? Pero dahil hindi nga ho sila pumupunta ho dito, hindi natin malalaman yung katotohanan. Again, I will move also for the issuance of a subpoena to the board members of Lucky South 99. Ito po yung present na mga board members and officers. Si Mr. Julian Linsangan, who's the president and chairperson. Ito sana yung pinakamahalagang personalidad para diretso natin tanungin siya kung bakit sa kanyang pasilidad nangyayari itong mga krimen at itong mga torture na nangyayari. Si Mr. Edwin Ang, si Mr. Myron Chua, again to issue a subpoena to the incorporators, board members of Lucky South 99 Outsourcing, who are also incorporators of Whirlwind Corporation. Ito yung interlocking. Si Ms. Josefina Mascarenas, Mr. Xiang Tan, si Mr. Daniel Salcedo. Ito po yung presidente ng Whirlwind Corporation na kasalukuyan po. Maganda rin ho sana marinig sa kanya kung bakit sa kanyang 10-hectare property nangyayari itong mga torture at human trafficking. Si Mr. Duaren Wu, applicant ho to sa mga PAGCOR, itong si Mr. Duaren Wu, yung kanyang pangalan lumalabas to sa marami ring mga papeles related to Whirlwind Corporation. Si Ms. Chona Alejandre, who's also a board member of Whirlwind Corporation. And then I will move to cite in contempt those individuals, Madam Chair, who we issued subpoena to, si Ms. Wen Yilin, Mr. Simen Lial Go, si Guo Huaping, aka Alice Guo, Mr. Jan Jong Guo, Miss Sheila Yel Guo, at Miss Wesley Guo. Nung huling pagdinig ho natin, nag-issue na ho tayo ng subpoena. Para sa akin ho, hindi katanggap-tanggap po yung dahilan ni Miss Guo Huaping dahil siya po ang nasa gitna nitong pangyayari sa Bamban eh. Siya po ang may alam kung ano po nangyari. Lahat po ng application, andun po yung pangalan niya. Siya po yung nagbukas ng pinto para makapasok po itong Pogo Hub. At marami pa tayong katanungan kung sino ba talaga ang nasa likod at sino yung mga kasama niya dito sa Pogo Hub na ito. At I will also move to cite in contempt Ms. Nancy Jimenez Gamo, the accountant that incorporated the Go-related family businesses and also the two Pogo Hubs. May mga personalidad ho dito na nag-issue ho tayo ng subpoena pero based on the COMSEC, mga dummies or non-existent. Pero uulitin ko na rin po, no, just in case na lumabas ho sila. Also to cite in contempt Ms. Jamelyn Cruz, Mr. Roderick Pujante, at Mr. Juan Miguel Alpas. There's also another personality na crucial ho dito sa ating investigation. Ito po si Catherine Cassandra Ong na nag-issue na rin ho tayo ng subpoena pero wala ho siya dito. So I also move to cite in contempt Ms. Catherine Cassandra Ong. Nag-issue rin ho tayo ng subpoena kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan para marinig ho yung kanyang side at yung kanyang pangalan ay madalas lumalabas sa application sa PAGCOR in relation to Lucky South 99. So I move to cite him in contempt as well. Meron pa hong dalawang tao ho dito na crucial. Ito ho si Mr. Alberto de la Serna at si Mr. Jonathan Mendoza. Kulang rin, hindi ho mahanap ng ating COMSEC pero lumalabas rin ho to sa interviews na nakita ko ho sa Rappler yung mga pangalan ho nito. So I also move to cite in contempt Mr. Alberto de la Serna and Jonathan Mendoza. Mga totoong tao ho to dahil nakikita ko ho to sa mga interviews. So again, Madam Chair, hindi ho magiging kompleto yung ating hearing and investigation kung wala po itong mga personalidad na ito. Specifically those connected to Lucky South 99 and to Whirlwind Corporation as well as si Ms. Nancy Gamo at of course si Guo Huaping. And so I so move, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Madam Chair.
Thank you, Sen. Sherwin. Before the chair rules on the motions regarding contempt and regarding subpoena, Senator Nancy.
Madam Chair, tayo po ngayon ay hawak po natin yung letter of explanation ni Mayor Alice at sinait po niya yung dahilan na she's not mentally fit, Madam Chair. Sa akin lang, nakakahiya naman po dun sa mga tunay na may mental health condition. I would just like to reiterate, Madam Chair, na seryosong usapin ang mental health at hindi po ito dapat ginagamit na dahilan para magsinungaling. Yun lang po, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, I just read the letter of explanation from Mayor Alice Go, and in the second paragraph, ang sinabi niya, I have already sought professional help, but the medical professionals that I have consulted refused to issue a medical certificate stating my condition for fear that they may also experience the humiliation and ridicule that I am going through. Madam Chair, I suggest that she be attended by a government doctor para siguro malaman natin ang buong katotohanan. And I think this letter of explanation is totally unacceptable. Therefore, I would like to move that we issue a warrant of arrest against Mayor Go for her to attend the next hearing kung meron man. I so move, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat, Sen Jinggoy. before the chair rules on the motions regarding contempt and issuance of a warrant of arrest. And for that, the chair thanks the Senate President pro tempore. Dahil sinabi na rin po ng SP na before this hearing, no, in public, sa media, na he is prepared to sign the arrest warrant. The chair rules to cite in contempt Alice Guo or Guo Huaping, and for her to issue the warrant of arrest as moved by the Senate President pro tempore. The chair also rules to cite in contempt Nancy Gamo and Dennis Cunanan. Additionally, the chair rules on the motion of Senator Sherwin to cite in contempt Wen Yi Lin, Xiamen Leal Guo, Jiang Jung Guo, I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly, and Sheila Leal Guo, Wesley Leal Guo, and invited resource persons, Cruz, Pujante, Alpas, Ong, De La Serna, and Mendoza. So ruled.
Yes, I second the motion, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, if I may.
Yes, Sen Jinggoy.
This representation wants to be clarified. If the chair already ruled that to cite those mentioned by Senator Sherwin in contempt, may I know if it is automatic if we are going to issue a warrant of arrest for those persons, for those resource persons who failed to attend this hearing, Madam Chair?
1 minute suspension.
Yeah, thank you.
Resumed. So just to clarify the point raised by the Senate President pro tempore, these 8 persons na isa-cite ng committee in contempt, these 8 being Alice Guo or Guo Huaping, Nancy Gamo, Dennis Cunanan, Wen Yilin, Xiamen Leal Guo, Jiang Jung Guo, Duaren Wu, and Chona Alejandre. The chair has ruled to cite them in contempt. Pagkatapos ng hearing, susulatan ng chair ang Senate President. Once i-affix ni Senate President yung citing in contempt ng chair, in effect, masaset into motion na yung pag-issue ng warrant of arrest. So it is in effect, good Senate President pro tempore, the same legislative or investigative action, pero ganun yung magiging step sa process na piyan. Thank you. Thank you, Sen Jinggoy.